Hey everybody, it's Keca, your lifestyle blogger, and look what came in the mail. I'm so excited. So these are my shoes for Vegas. And I'm going to call these my travel shoes because the last time I went to Vegas in December, you guys seen the videos, my feet hurt like crazy. We were about 4 blocks away from Fremont Street, but just the back and forth walking, the being in the crowds of people, it was a little too much. So this time I'm going prepared, and I purchased these babies, and I want to do a quick review. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. Okay guys, what I purchased on Amazon was the women's running shoes. It's the non-slip athletic tinny. It's the walking shoe. It has a blade tight sneaker. Now these colors come in black, black and gray, blue, blue and light blue, orange, pink, purple, red, hot pink, white, and sea green. The sizes are 6, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, and 11. This shoe cost me $39.99, so right around $40, you can really get a great shoe. It's a rubber sole material. It's high durability for prolonged wear time, breathable mesh, and it feels great. Okay, let me bring your attention to a couple of things on this shoes. It is a running shoe. It's not name brand, but it is an athletic wear running shoe that comes in various sizes. Now, it is durable. It has a cushioned sole on the inside, so it makes it very comfortable when you are wearing this for a prolonged amount of time. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video of the shoes that I am planning to wear on my trip to Vegas. They scream comfort, and that's what I'm looking for. I know they're not name brand, they're not the Nikes and all of that, but they are actually the running shoes. And since I'm already going to be bringing yoga pants along with me, I might as well just be totally comfortable all the way around. That's what I'm looking for this trip. Comfort, durability, relaxation, and these outfits that I am bringing along with me give me that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in those running shoes, go ahead and click the link in my description box. I have all the information on the shoes, how much they cost. You will get a discount, by the way, by using my link. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask those questions so I can answer them for you right here. But if you like them, they come in various colors and sizes, as pointed out in the video. Go ahead and click my link and get your pair. Thanks for watching.